Hi friends, welcome to Art Project with Stevie. Today we're going to be making a hanging rainbow cloud. Isn't that pretty? Alrighty, what you're going to need to make our rainbow cloud today is a drink holder, paint and a paintbrush, some tissue paper or cotton balls, and strips of color for our rainbow, glue, string, and scissors. What you're going to do with your drink holder is cut out this shape on top. Perfect. You're going to get your paint. You're going to paint it, let it dry. After it dries, you're going to get some glue, go around the border of it, put on your clouds. Will look like such. Put on your cloud, and then you're going to get a pair of scissors, ask an adult for help, cut a tiny hole in the center so you can put your string in. Put your string in, tie a knot on the bottom. There you go. And then you're going to get your glue, and you're going to put glue going all around the sides, and you're going to glue your strips of rainbow on. You're going to let it dry, and look how pretty that turned out. Isn't it wonderful? And you can put it in the window, you can put it in your room. Everybody will love it, my friends. Alrighty, guys, have a good day. I'll see you next time. Bye.